What's up, guys? This is your boy O, back with a new video. Today we got an unboxing video going down. Fresh for Less is the channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, let's get into it. Y'all already see it. Just Do It box. Nike box. Boxes I don't like, but whatever. I ain't even look at these yet in person. So we're about to check them out together real quick. I'm going to let y'all know what I think about them. Scoot that to the side. Y'all already know what this box is. Jordan 4 box. So y'all probably already know what's going down. So my first look, it's gonna be y'all first look. That's one shoe. Now fire colorway, y'all. Don't get me wrong. Fire colorway. These are the Jordan 4 Raptors, Jordan 4 Drake signatures. I don't know what you want to call them. I wouldn't call them the OVOs because, as I already seen from other reviews, they don't have no OVO markings on them. So the only real special thing about them is the tongue. I guess that's the only difference from the other release and this release is the tongue. Off rip, I'm not liking the way my tongue came all bent out of shape. I'll tell y'all that right now. Hopefully that can get, because this is a personal pair, so hopefully that can get whipped back into shape. Now off rip, man, there's a lot of things I do not like about the shoe. Look at how the suede is just all messed up. Like this isn't even good quality right here. Man, I'm not feeling that. Definitely not feeling that. Look at that right there. Okay, now this I had to do another video, man, because I got to give y'all a close-up because you can't really tell on how bad the quality is, but just look at this. Look at that. This is like a real deal close-up look, y'all. Fresh out the box. This is fresh out the box. How bad? No shoe should look this bad fresh out the box. This is the second pair. Look at that. It's like you gotta be kidding me. And that's what I'm talking about. That's like nothing that you can rub off. That's just like little dots of suede pecked away. I was not expecting the shoes to be this bad. Highly upset, man. And they sold out. Like, I would love for them just to send me a better pair. Man, I don't even know what to say. Shame on y'all, Nike. Y'all could have just kept these. Wow. Yeah, the quality is not that good, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And I was pretty excited about these shoes. This is my first time seeing the Raptor 4s in person. I had the Raptor 7s, and I always loved the colorway. And on them 7s, wow, the material was way better than this. Like, I mean, look at how bad that looks. I really like this shoe, but I don't know if I want to keep them or not. Now, another crazy thing about these shoes that I seen on another video, Unbreakable Kicks, shout out to him, was looking on the production dates. It seems that this is a shoe, Jordan brand Nike, that they were sitting on because you know the whole thing with Drake going to Adidas. I guess that's why they released the pairs with the all black on the tongue, and I guess held these pairs back. And with the Raptors doing good right now, beating Golden State, I guess that gave them a reason to drop them, and it was a surprise drop. I mean, I was literally just sitting at work and seeing a notification about black and purple Jordan 4s. That's all I seen. Clicked on it, seen these. First, I didn't even notice the tongue at first. I was like, oh, it's just some Raptor 4s, but I didn't get the other pair before, so I grabbed these pairs. Now, I've seen a lot of people talking about how these was gonna break. I seen people saying they bought them, then canceled their order because they didn't sell out fast enough. But it's a colorway I like. That's why I said I'm getting these to wear. But after seeing the quality, I'm not even sure. Like, this is just like, that's not even rubbing out. That's like literally suede, like missing suede, little dots. Like, that's not something that's built on a shoe. That's, I don't know if y'all can see that good. They really gave me a horrible pair. And I honestly, I never complain about shoes. But let me check the production date on my pair. 11/15/2017 to February 12th, 2018. So these shoes been done for over a year. I seen a few people that actually physically got their shoes from a few stores. And then even the people that worked at the store said that supposedly they had these shoes for months just sitting back there. I wish I would have got these pair from the store, because they definitely would have went back for a different pair. Wow. But that's my with a retail of 200, you would expect way better quality. Like, wow. I'm still in shock right now. And this is like my first time doing the first impression video. For real. Yeah, retail of $200. They should have been way better. But yeah, that's my take on them, y'all. Resale on them isn't too high. But wow. I honestly would tell someone not to cop these. Wait to see if retail gets a little bit lower. Because right now these things looking like I wore them and beat the hell out of them. And they ain't even touched my feet yet. Still a dope colorway, nonetheless. But quality, I gotta give these ones a thumbs down, guys. I don't know, I might keep them, I might send them back. But, yep. But today, I'm rocking the 88 cements. That Nike Air on the back. Y'all know how old these shoes is, and still amazing quality. Got the Supreme Champion collab tee on. Thing I said about Supreme in my last video. Y'all see this tee dropped last Thursday. Came to me on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and I still didn't get no tracking email or no order confirmation email. So Supreme is really just taking them orders and shipping them out, man. You see the money out your account, just know it's coming. But thanks, y'all. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think about these. Let me know if y'all got a pair. Let me know if y'all pair look better than this or what. Because I'm kind of speechless right now. But thanks for watching, y'all. I'm out.